Okay, Alexander, I'm going to look at this one again. Remember, this is a monomial. Okay, oh, I don't like that. This is a monomial. Okay, I'm going to write it a little bit larger, negative 2k to the fifth. All right, there's not a plus or a minus between them. But I know that, what's the exponent of the negative 2? Of the negative 2, Ben? It's 1 right now. So I'm actually going to put parentheses around it, because that negative is with the 2, right? It's inside the parentheses with it. Okay? What's the exponent of the k, Jordan? 1. Now I'm going to distribute this, and that's going to give me negative 2 to the fifth, k to the fifth. Okay? Because the negative is inside the parentheses that's being raised to the fifth. All right? Now I need you to help me on this one. Taro, I've got negative 2 to the fifth. What's its sign going to be? Negative, because it's an odd exponent. What's 2 to the fifth, though, David? 32. K to the fifth. Done. Okay? It means negative 2k times negative 2k times negative 2k times negative 2k times negative 2k. All right, I can write all those out if I want, but it's much easier just to multiply their exponents. Stop. All right. Now, let's look at this next one. It's getting a little more complicated. Now I have negative 3 to the third. X to the what, Edward? Not fifth. When they're separated by parentheses, I have to multiply them. X to the sixth. Y to the what, David? 15. Okay. Now I don't need to do anything to the variables, but I do need to simplify that number out there. What's its sign going to be, Arjun? This coefficient. It's going to be negative because I'm raising it to an odd power. What is 3 cubed, Joseph? 27. So it's negative 27, x to the 6th, y to the 15. Okay? Beautiful. All right, guys, done with that one. We've got one more example.